Greetings to one and all. As we all know, EQO is a company based in Spain which deals in compressed air fittings. In this video, we will show you how to use EQO fittings. The pipes and the fittings are made up of aluminium alloy which is cold drawn that increases its mechanical strength. The pipes are powder coated from outside and chromated from inside, which has a good surface finish, that is low frictional coefficient. EQO fittings are made by pressure die casting and has all pipes and fittings in metal range from 20 mm to 160 mm. The fittings have O-ring to prevent the leakages of air and gases. It has a SS304 solid grab ring which holds the pipe very tightly under high pressure. EQO have two range of fittings, for low pressure up to 16 bar and for high pressure up to 70 bar. The fittings are very easy to assemble and dismantle. All we got to do is loosen the nut, insert the pipe till the end and tighten it. The grab ring of the fitting unite the pipe and hold it tightly. And if any changes are required in the existing system after the installation, we can easily dismantle it and reuse it again. Thank you.